Drip candle wax into cloves, and what happens next will completely transform your home. This secret came straight from an old caretaker on a rural farm who swore by it for decades. But the first time I tried it, I was shocked. Since then, I've never stopped making it. Grab 3 candles, any color or size will do, and place them in a small pan over low heat. Be patient as they melt. You want a smooth, clear wax? Once it starts turning glossy, remove the wicks carefully with tongs and set them aside. You'll use them again in just a bit. Comment below with your city. I love seeing where everyone's watching from. Next, take your melted wax and pour it gently into a glass container or small heat-proof jar. Even an old jam jar will do perfectly. Now comes the first secret ingredient, cloves. Grab 2 generous handfuls and drop them directly into the warm wax. The moment they touch the surface, that rich, spicy aroma fills the air. Now add a spoonful of coffee grounds. Just 1 teaspoon is enough. It can be fresh or used coffee. Both work beautifully. Sprinkle it over the wax and stir slowly to blend it evenly. The mixture of cloves and coffee creates an incredible fragrance, comforting yet energizing. As the wax begins to cool, the ingredients settle in delicate layers, making your candle look like something handcrafted from a high-end boutique. Now it's time to bring back the wicks you saved earlier. Place one right in the center of your jar. You can balance it using a pencil or clothespin across the top to keep it standing straight. Would you try this at home? Comment yes or no. Once it's fully firm, trim the wick and admire what you've made. The candle looks beautiful on its own. But the true magic happens when you light it. As the flame flickers, the air fills with a comforting rich blend of spice and roasted coffee. It's the kind of scent that instantly warms a room, like stepping into a cozy cabin on a winter night. Imagine sitting quietly, candle glowing, that gentle aroma wrapping around you. It's relaxing, soothing, and surprisingly long-lasting. But here's what makes it truly special. The reason this trick has been passed down for generations. Hidden inside those cloves is a natural compound called eugenol. When it's warmed by the candle flame, it releases invisible vapors that do far more than just smell good. Combined with coffee, it creates a natural shield in your home, something that protects your space in ways most people would never expect. Rate this hack from 0 to 10 in the comments. Be honest. Once you see the difference, you'll understand why I never stopped making it after that first time. If you try this at home, let me know in the comments where you're watching from and how it worked for you. Don't forget to share this video with someone who loves natural tips like this one. Take care, stay well, and I'll see you in the next video.